Taycasso made that.
Hey, AYYYEE. Welcome to Tea Priestess. I hope y'all are doing lovely, feeling amazing. This is what month is this? April 2022 reading, okay? Okay. So, I straight up said this is an April 2022 reading for y'all, okay? Because, I guess I kind of said, look, the months or whatever that's been coming out of my mouth in these readings have been like weird and fucked up. Okay? They really have. And whoever I just did recently, I fucking said March. I said this is a March reading. Okay? Look, I don't know. But I don't know. I thought it's fine. But this is an April 2022 reading. Okay. So we're going to see what comes out for the month of April. Okay. I hope that y'all have been doing lovely and feeling amazing. Okay. Okay, look, where you going? To the sun. I feel like every time I say in a reading, every time I say something about I hope y'all have been doing lovely, feeling amazing like a second time. It's either like a literal card about something related to the sun, like this card, or the sun. I don't know. But yeah, so it's like you are doing lovely and feeling amazing, or this is what you're coming into, but I feel like that's the energy that you're in also. Okay? That's the energy that you're in. Like, yes, I am doing lovely. I am feeling amazing. I am feeling amazing. Look, it's a lovely day out here. Come on now, AYYYEE. Okay? So your April is like, I feel amazing. Yes, come on now. It's deserved though. Okay? That's what I'm feeling like. It's deserved. Come on now. You're everything I need. Ooh, yeah. Okay? Come on now. So, okay, I feel like you are gaining everything that you need. Okay? And it's like, ooh, yeah, because it's like, yes, it's like, it's a lovely day out here. Where you going? To the sun. Okay? All right. Forgive, but probably will never forget. Okay? And then I'm briefly, no. Okay. Forgive, but probably will never forget. Okay. So it's like, you could be getting everything you need from somebody, people who you can forgive but probably will never forget things that they did or something. Okay? Don't degrade me, ho. Okay? So, they like degraded you in some way or whatever. And so it's like, yeah, she my number one. They your number one. You're their number one. Okay? And so it's like they're making sure that you're taken care of, because it's like, where you going? To the sun. So you going to the sun, AYYYEE. It's a lovely day out here for you. And they know, yes, to not degrade you. Because look, y'all tried it for real, for real. Okay? 444. Come on now. They tried this shit before. Okay? And so look, you fucked up. Wow. Okay, look. So since they did this shit before, it's like, no, 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 no. No, you can't do this again. And so it's like different energy, different whatever, because that other shit can't be done no more. Look, and your energy is like, I'm the greatest, okay? You see how you gotta flex? Okay? You gotta flex just to see the card. Come on now. Energy like I'm the greatest, okay? You out here flexing on them like that. Come on now. Like, you gotta do like special looks. Like, people gotta see you from a certain angle, okay? No, I'm playing. I don't know, but something like that. People gotta see you from a certain angle to see all of your greatness, because it's like you be shining on them. Ooh, you be shining on them. Come on now. Where you going to the sun, you be shining on them. You gonna get to the shine, okay? Okay? Don't be scared now, okay? So, it's like these people, this person, it's like they can't be scared now, because it's like they did what they did. And so because of that, it's like, okay, well, you have to deal with it. You have to deal with it. Okay, I don't know, but you could be examining your work, like looking at old things, old projects, old assignments, old whatever, and being like, you know, examining it and like really looking at it and like, huh. You know, I don't know. It could be like maybe on some revise and edit type shit, maybe, possibly, or something. I don't know. Okay, 5 of Swords is coming out, okay? So it's like either you had to tell, okay, you're going to be telling someone strongly, okay? 808, when I say strongly, okay, you're going to be telling somebody strongly about how they have degraded you and that they tried it and that they fucked up. Wow. Okay, 7 of Cups, 832 H-Town, okay? 7 of Cups is like you cause okay, you're everything I need, ooh yeah. And it's like you're making sure that you have everything that you need. Ooh yeah. Okay? And so because of that, it's like with this 7 of Cups, I don't know why I'm confused. I mean, like, maybe it's like you're confused on like maybe some things that you'll need or whatever. This person or people might want to or have been keeping you confused, possibly. And so some shit is going to be cleared up. Okay? Because, okay, and then once you find this out or something about the confusion, and like how and why that they've been having you confused, then you're going to be like, y'all tried it for real, and you fucked up. Wow. Like, what's wrong with you? 10-10, okay? The moon, okay? It's something gonna get revealed where it's like you are going to not only know what the fuck is up, but also be like, oh wow, they really tried it. 4 of Wands. However, it's like, it don't even faze you, because it's like you're moving on, you're moving forward. Like, I got other shit popping. The Hangman, okay? I feel like you're going to be thinking about oh my gosh. Okay. You're going to be thinking about, okay, this hurt and pain of whatever the situation is that is found out, okay? The Hierophant, okay? But then it's like, okay, so you got revealed this, most likely from the divine, possibly, okay? And so, because it's like the situation just gonna come together, it's gonna look right. Like whatever you're looking at, it's gonna be like, yep, I understand that shit. I know why I'm being shown this shit, something like that. And so it's like the divine is going to show you that you are number one when it comes to knowing this shit and understanding this, even if it has taken a long time to figure it out, okay? 5 of Pentacles at the bottom, okay? So it's like, by the end of the month, you're going to see that you're going into a whole new, like, situation, because it's like, it's something that I want to say you have to embrace, because it's something big, okay? But 9 of Cups at the back of the deck, okay? Because it's something big, but it's like you're going to feel fulfilled. So it's like, whatever this is, by the end of the month, not only are you going to say yes, but you're also going to be like you're not gonna be scared. Like, this is not the time to be scared. Something like that. Like, whatever time this is, other time where you could have been scared before, you know, this is not the time to be scared type shit, because of the situation that you're going into. It's like you can't be scared, because you just gotta do it, because you going forward, you doing big things out here, something like that. Okay, I just got something like, you could be put into because with the She My Number One card, you could be put into some type of position that is higher than what you were before or something. You could be either getting a job or moving up, okay? And so it's like a number one position, whatever that means. 10-10, okay? Yes. It's going to be some type of position where you're like the number one person, whatever that means, okay? And so it's going to, you're with the Hierophant, it's going, and the moon is like, that's going to be revealed about like the position or whatever, how big it is, or you know, the vastness of it or whatever. And the Hierophant, like the grandiosity of the position, you know. And so you're going to understand it. Maybe it's like somebody tried to put you in this type of position, and it's like y'all tried it. For real, for real. Like, what's wrong with y'all? Why y'all do that? But then it could also be like, don't degrade me, ho, by not giving me this position, you know, something like that. Maybe somebody didn't give you the position. Okay, on God. Maybe somebody didn't give you the position, okay, before. And it's like, you fucked up. And it's like, y'all tried it, for real, for real. And so it's like, you're going to get some information on a yes. It's like, they've been thinking about how they didn't give you that shit before in the past or something, when you were the person that deserved to have it or something. And so now it's like they're gonna give you the position, and like you're going to be like, forgive but probably never forget like how they treated you or whatever around this position. But it's like something, they're like working on that or something. Okay, what's new, baby boo? What's new, baby boo? Okay, so it's like, it's either a new position or it's well, no, it's like, what's new? So this is an old something, and you were here before, you were talking to them before, you were intertwined with them in some way before, and now it's like y'all catching up, y'all talking again for the first time, and it's like, what's new? Okay. At the light show, okay? At the light show. Okay, hold on. I think. Okay. Okay. At the light show. So it's like, it's lit. It's lit. So, okay, sorry. And it probably, maybe once you, it's like once they introduce themselves to you again, y'all get back on good terms or whatever, it's like, what's new, baby boo? And so maybe from there, it's like you're trying to get a feel for the place, a feel for them, okay? And so that's why the it's lit didn't come through. It didn't come through until like a little bit after that. Like, it's lit. Like, yeah, it's lit. Like, it's like, it's cool. Like, the situation is cool. You know, like, it's not like, it doesn't feel like whatever it was before. It's like, what's new? Like, they're trying to make it new, or it's like new. Okay, sound like money. All right, look, y'all gonna be talking about money, okay? Because it's like, okay, I feel like they're going to put a big emphasis on money. Okay. Okay. I just saw 2012 and I just got something surrounding 2012. Okay. So maybe somebody owes you some money or something from 2012, as early back as 2012, or starting surrounding 2012. Okay. Oh, 2012. Okay. I don't know. Or you owe money. It's you owe money, they owe you. Something like that. Okay. But it's like something from 2012. Let's take a long walk, okay? This could be money from a long time ago, from then, yeah. Like, maybe you didn't know about this money. Let's take a long walk. Like, somebody gonna be telling you about how there's some money that you haven't known about. And it sound like money, yeah. They talking about some money. Y'all, somebody gonna tell you about some money that you have not known about. And that shit gonna be lit. Okay? This could be from, I don't know, something, I kind of want to say tragic, traumatic, that happened. I ain't forget how, okay? So this, you could have been telling people that. I ain't forget how, like, from years ago, like they could have took money from you in whatever ways. And so it's like, either you're bringing that's what you're bringing up for something, or something. And it's like, yeah, I ain't forget. I didn't forget, okay? And so it's like, okay, take a break. Like, it's like you took a break on talking about it or whatever. And about this money, you could also be able to take a break now. Take a vacation, take a something, because either y'all have talked about it, they have acknowledged it and given it to you. Maybe y'all are just talking about it within the month of April or something. But you could have it. We'll see. I don't know. But it's like, you took a break from talking about it. And so because you took a break from talking about it, it's like, maybe they thought that you forgot about it. And so it's like, nah, I ain't forget. I didn't forget. It'll make sense, okay? Okay, it'll make sense about where this money is coming from. Who owes you? Something like that. It'll make sense. Okay, I'm getting something about, whenever I show the it'll make sense card, it'll make sense. Like, whatever, whenever I said that or something and showed it, or you heard it or something, maybe something would have clicked with the it'll make sense, or be clicking now, okay? Like, it'll make sense. Okay? I don't know. on some green thumb shit. Okay. Okay. Okay, so with that card, it's like, okay, I'm getting something about somebody's favorite color might be green, okay? But also, okay, somebody could also be a weed dealer, okay? Sell weed in whatever ways, okay? Or work with cannabis, okay? Um, and so also, this person is going to help things make sense, okay? And then it's like, y'all all lied, okay? So it's like, once this person tells you some shit, it's like you gonna be able to be like, oh, y'all all lied, okay? Y'all all lied. Look, AYYYEE, you finding out some shit where it's gonna be like, oh, y'all all lied. Like, y'all all lied. Okay? Look, back at it again. Okay? So it's gonna be something where it's like, you figure out some shit, and it's like, back at it again. It's like you're back at it again, like, figuring some shit out, or yeah, that's what I want to say. Figuring some shit out. Like, it's like you have some new information, but now it's like you're on the search again or something. Something like that. Maybe. Hey. Okay. That's at the back. Hey. So it's like you're back on the search again. Like, and you have to start saying hey to people. Okay, I'm getting this could also be on a love tip. Like, whoever you're interacting with or whatever this month could be somebody who you think is cool or whatever, but then it's like, nah, and things don't work out. Maybe they lie to you. They could be a weed dealer, okay? You know, y'all could have long talks or something. Maybe smoke together, chill sessions, smoke sessions together or whatever. Have enjoyed each other's company or whatever. But they might have lied to you or lied to you this month, okay? And so you just gonna be like, oh, nah. They might be like, wait, where you going? Like, what's up with you? You know? But you gonna be like, nah, like, I I don't want this. My person. I don't want this. Like, you're not for me. This isn't it. And so you gonna be like finding or saying hey to somebody else, or maybe like somebody, because it's not like I don't feel like y'all together or something. So it's like, maybe you are, I don't know, but I'm getting that, excuse me, either somebody like in tandem with this other person is going to be like, hey, or this is after you get rid of the other person and they like hey, or you like hey to somebody because you like, okay, well, that one didn't work, so let me find somebody else. And so you just move on like that. What a beautiful night. Yes, they're gonna be hitting you up and be like, what a beautiful night. What a beautiful night it is, huh? I don't know who talks like that, but you know, they could. What a beautiful night it is, right? And so that's how y'all get the conversation started. And so it's a whole other thing over time, okay? it's like whatever situation that you are in, it's like, or that's happening like throughout the month, okay? It's like you're going to understand that you put in the work, okay? You put in the work for the things that you have and deserve. And so the people trying to degrade you or did try to degrade you or whatever, or did, and now they're trying to make up for it. It's like, yeah, you right, because I have worked to become me, okay? And it's like, you're fucking with me. And I don't like that. So stop. Okay? So look, on the back of Don't Degrade Me Ho, Lesson Builder Saturn, you're teaching them lessons out here. Because it's like, y'all have me fucked up. I'm a lot more than what you're thinking. Also, fuck it then. Fuck you, okay? Because it's like they know and they see that you are worth a lot more, or worth a lot. If this is like something new, somebody new, then it's like they're seeing that you're worth a lot. But if it's somebody old, they're seeing that you're worth a lot more than what they believed or thought in the first place. And it's like, yes, ho, okay? Y'all tried it, for real, for real. You on the come up, okay? They see that, for real, for real. You on the come up, you moving up, okay? It's something that you're getting, Akipu, okay? They presenting this shit to you and you like, huh? Really? Y'all want me in that position? Really? Okay? It's like you telling them you fucked up, wow. And it's like you smelling $1,000,000, like $1,000,000 doing it. Come on now. Looking good, smelling good, like yes. Cause where you going? To the sun. Okay, give me the green light. Okay. So you're gonna be telling somebody, give me the green light. You could be telling a multiple of somebody's, the way that two people just came up like that. You could be telling that one green light with a green light, and then it go to a red light, a yellow light, and then a red light, and then you like, nah, I don't want this, and then you make a turn. You turn down another street, and then you're going to explore to see what's down that street. And so you getting green lights on that street, and so you finding out what's next, something like that. But you getting green lights, you giving green lights. It's like green lights everywhere, because it's a lovely day out here, okay? You're done. Out of here, ho. Okay, yeah. You gonna be telling somebody like, I don't want this. I don't want you. Like, it's a no for me, dog. Okay? Yes. Birds of a feather, okay? They might be okay. I wanted to be like, they might be a bird out here, but in a way. But it's like a bird is like a person that is just be all up in your business and shit, just poking at you, just nosy, just like, what? Bye. Get away from me. I don't know. Something like that. They have like shy birds, but I don't feel like this person or whatever is shy. Okay? And so you're seeing or something with this person that they're of bird status. They're of bird status. I don't know. That's what I'm getting. They're of bird status. They're of bird status, okay? You're everything I need. Ooh, yeah. Okay? A slowed beginning. So, it took a while for you to see this person, to see this situation for who and what it was, is, whatever. But now you see it. Also, for you, it took a while for you to get here, but now you're here. And it's like, yes, I'm here, hoes. What's up? Y'all see me. You understand. If you don't, I'm gonna make you understand. Okay? Forgive, but probably will never forget. Okay? Because you A1, not a 0 out here. Okay, look, Akupu, like, they had you, like, fucked up. Like, they was out here pretending like you were lower class or some shit, and you really wasn't. And so now they gonna be trying to make it seem like either they didn't do that shit, or like they just like think of you on such a higher level, like so many more higher levels. And it's gonna be like, okay, so you'll see what you do with this situation or situations, whatever comes about. But I do feel like there's going to be money talks, and with the money talks, it's like, you're going to enjoy those, and I feel like in the making up or whatever, they're going to be throwing money, talking about money. You're going to also be finding some money, or some money gonna be coming to find you that you didn't know about, something like that. Okay, I don't know. It's gonna be an amazing discovery of some shit. Okay, this month, an amazing discovery that sound like money. Okay, I love it. I really do. Okay, hold on. Okay, I hope that y'all have a wonderful April, Akupu. I really do. I thank y'all for coming through. Remember, nigga is for niggas, okay? Check the description box, y'all. Check out Taycasso made that. All beats by me, okay? Bye, y'all.